Gonna pull it out. Holy sh! I got the iPhone. I got the Air. And look, I wanted to just clarify some things. I know I made a whole video on how you shouldn't update your phone, or upgrade rather. And yeah, if you feel like your phone still works, honestly just say it. But I've been obsessed with this phone for the past 3 days. And I finally just pulled the trigger. I was like, you know what, this is an exciting new phone. And I wanted to capture the reaction of me opening, because I'm sure you've seen plenty of people unboxing the phone, and you don't need to see another one, but at least for my experience, I haven't seen a lot of people unbox it and react to the unboxing. And I know I'm taking a long time saying this, but let's just do it. I'm gonna unbox it live. I've never held an iPhone Air, so I'm very, very interested to see how it feels. I'm coming from a 15 Pro, and you know, this might change how I feel about iPhones, because that's what I hear. So I'll turn this off. Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall. That would suck. Okay, ooh. Okay, so just first impressions, right? It is bigger than my iPhone. Let me take it out the case. It looks good for. Look, I'm only seeing a little glimpse of it, but it looks good. All right. I'm gonna pull it out. Holy shit, dude! That's insane. Okay, 15 Pro, right? And just look at the, can you see the difference? You can't, because you can see the fingerprints. Look at that difference. That's pretty crazy. Also, you can see how much taller it is. I'm gonna put it, just look, you get a little bit more screen. I'm pretty sure the Pro is 6.1 and this is 6.5. Yeah, because the Max is 6.7. So that's a lot more screen. So yeah. And the final tear, that made no noise. Also in the box you get a cable, and the cable is just a basic white cable. So here it is. Oh my god, it is. When people say that holding this phone feels like you're just holding the screen, I believe it, because how light this thing is just crazy. And I know that most of the components are in the camera section, and everything below is just straight up just some metal and battery. That's insane. But I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna use it for a week. This weekend I'm gonna go down to the city, take some photography pictures, try to see if, like, you know, if I'll miss having the extra 2 cameras. And I'll make a 1 week later review, as I did with my Z Fold 6. And look, if you have any questions about the iPhone Air, let me know. What I'll be doing is every time I hit 20%, I'll take a screenshot and then I'll post that on the video that's coming a week later, and then we can compare. Because the 3 things that people are mostly concerned about this phone is the battery, which, you know, from what I've seen is kind of mixed. The lack of cameras, and then the speaker, which it only has 1 speaker, whereas every other iPhone has 2 speakers, 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top. So am I concerned about that? A little bit, but honestly, I bought this for the design because it is such a aesthetically pleasing iPhone, and I will be rocking it with no case. So I'm very excited. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me for that video. I'll answer as many as I can. And yeah, I make short videos. Name is John, and I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, because this wasn't cheap. This is not cheap, so please subscribe. That's all I ask. There's no sponsor in this video. I'm a small yet YouTuber. I appreciate the subscription. That's all. I'm out.